Now, my friends, our next candidate is about to come, and let's see what will happen. So, where we have our next candidate, please, Nisha.
Hello, sir.
Hello. Uh,
My resume.
have a seat.
Thank you, sir.
So, Nisha, could you please give me your small introduction?
Okay, my name is Tarandu Misha.
Okay.
I did my schooling from CBSE board, and I did my graduation from Delhi University. I live with my grandparents. I'm a very shorted and hardworking and a very easygoing person. And my strengths are that I'm a very detail-oriented person, and my weakness are that I lack in the art of delegating the work. Uh, so I would say that that's all that it is.
Okay. Could you tell me that what kind of work do you do?
Okay, right now I'm not working anywhere. I'm preparing for my CA final examination.
Okay.
So I would like to work in a company and a very
Okay.
reputed one.
Have you ever worked with any kind of organization before?
Yes, I worked in a reputed chartered accountant firm
Okay.
for 3 years.
Okay, so could you tell me what were your main duties?
Okay, my main duties were as a article accountant. I did all the works which were expected from an accountant.
Okay.
I have to do audit and accounting related work.
Could you describe about the organization or company with which you were working?
Okay, my organization was it was a particular chartered accountant firm. All types of auditing and income tax related works were there, and
Okay.
accounting works was also outsourced.
Could I ask you that what did you mostly enjoy about your job?
Okay, I would say that I enjoyed everything about my work because I'm very passionate about my work. So I would say that there's everything which I like, but particularly I would like to mention that the target date always excites me a lot.
Okay. Last one thing I would like to ask you about your work, that is there anything that you dislike about your job?
Okay, as I mentioned about and as I mentioned that I like everything about my work, but still I would say that somewhere just because of target date we do not get much chance or opportunity to enjoy the festivals. Sometimes because of the target date we do not get the opportunity to. It annoys us or sometimes it makes us feel bad, but still I just enjoy it.
Okay. Could you tell me what kind of education did you get?
Okay, I am, as you know, I'm doing CA and also CS, so I am getting good education.
Okay. Do you believe that your country has an effective education system?
Well, I would say no because our education system pretty falter in this area. Means we are working only for getting get through in examination and for getting scores only. Means teachers are also teaching for covering the syllabus, and somewhere we just want to complete our syllabus and we are not focusing on learning something. And even in India we focus on just to become a lawyer or doctor. We look down upon other courses. Means parents should give the leeway to the student that to their child that they should be given much opportunity to select other courses, like whether it is tattoo artist or other kind of courses.
Okay, I would like to ask you one thing, and it would be last, and after that I will leave you. That thing is, if you could change, or if you get a chance to change one of the things in India, which thing would you like to change?
Okay. Well, there are so many things I would like to change. First of all, I would like to mention that law system. I
The
am a
major
great
priority.
believer. Yes, my major priority would be always to change our law system. I would drastically change. I would really want to change it in a drastic way. So,
In a drastic manner, you want to
yes,
change it.
really.
That's a very great ideology and perception that you follow. And it was a pleasure meeting with you and doing the conversation with you. And after some time, you'll get your result.
Thank you so
You
much.
could wait outside and you may wait. Okay?